Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. Into this tutorial, we are going to see if it's possible to get your Microsoft 365 subscription for a lifetime. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically for this video, we are going to simply see this conversation or this community discussion on Microsoft community. And the short answer is that you won't be able to do it, or there is no such thing as a lifetime uh, subscription. So as you can see, all you will be able to do is to simply get like Microsoft and start renewing this subscription. And basically, it has been only available on the Office 2019. And from there, like from the license for Microsoft 365, there is no such lifetime subscription. And basically, all you will be needing to do is to start like renewing your annual or your monthly subscription each time until the for a lifetime. And basically, that's the only option that you would get. And basically, for such Office like 2019, there is no updates or no newest features that will be added to it. And basically, for in opposite for Microsoft 365, you will always get like the latest version of the Office apps, and basically you will get always have the latest features, tools, and security updates and all the bug fixes, etc. And basically to do it, you will be needing to simply go to your Microsoft account, and from there you will be needing like to simply get your plan that you would like. So either it is for home, business, and then you can start paying annually for some uh, and see the pricing, and you choose your plan. You click on buy now, and basically that's it. So that's all you can do for it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.